If you've ever wondered how to find your Epic Games account email on PS4 or PS5, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to check the email connected to your Epic Games account using a browser, even if you only normally play on PlayStation. This is super useful if you forgot which email you used, need to recover your account, or just want to confirm the address linked to your PSN. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you already have. Then go to the Epic Games sign-in page. Instead of typing in a normal email and password right away, look for the option that says Sign in with PlayStation. This is important because it connects you directly through your PlayStation Network account. Once you tap or click the PlayStation icon on, Epic Games may ask you to log in with your PSN credentials. If that happens, enter the same PlayStation account details you use on your PS4 or PS5. After you sign in, Epic Games will take you into your account dashboard. Now that you're inside, go to your account settings, look for the section called Account Info. This is where Epic Games displays your account details, including the email address tied to your profile. In many cases, the email will be partially hidden, so you might only see something like a few letters followed by asterisks and then the domain, such as ***@gmail.com. Even though it's masked, that usually gives you enough clues to recognize the exact email address you used. If you have a few email accounts, check the first letter, the domain name, and any numbers or patterns you remember. That's often enough to identify the correct one. If you don't see the email immediately, scroll through the account settings carefully and make sure you're looking in the right place. Sometimes people accidentally check the wrong menu, but the email should be under account info when you're signed in properly through PlayStation. And that's basically it. By using Sign In with PlayStation, you can quickly find the Epic Games email connected to your PS4 or PS5 account without guessing or resetting everything from scratch. This is one of the easiest ways to confirm your login details and avoid getting locked out later. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to guides. If you want, I can also show you how to change the Epic Games email, recover a forgotten Epic account, or unlink and relink your PlayStation account in another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.